The dream of flying lives deep within us. Experienced it is now possible to all. Introducing DJI Avatar. The company's newest drone was just unveiled. With this palm-sized FPV drone, you may maneuver in a way that is specific to FPV flight. With its intuitive motion controller, quickly operate the drone faster than you can with a remote control. It's safer than ever with its built-in propeller guards, and with a very immersive first-person experience every time you take to the skies, really will believe that you were born to fly. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is at your fingertips. Flying has never been simpler. Release the trigger, charge forward, or swivel your wrist to make a turn. Ultra-smooth 4K footage is available thanks to Avatar's improved camera system, which eliminates the need for additional attachments. With the 1.7-inch sensor, 155 FOV, and flagship stabilization, enjoy next-level photography. Agile and palm-sized. Avatar's lightweight, compact design makes it simple to transport and enhances its agility. Take it with you on any expedition and use it to fly through branches and between gaps. Be bold, fly far. Avatar has increased safety and a remarkable 18-minute flying time. It can withstand light touch, maintain altitude, and continue to fly thanks to the included propeller protection. With DJI 3 Plus video transmission, you can transmit video at distances of up to 10 km while still receiving a clear, responsive HD live feed. Change the way you fly. The DJI Avatar is compatible with the DJI FPV Remote Control 2, DJI FPV Goggles Vault 2, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI Motion Control, each of which opens up new possibilities. With simple hand and head motions, the DJI Motion Controller and DJI Goggles 2 offer an intuitive sensory experience. At the top of the button, you can instantly halt to stop and hover its place. Then, set up again when you're ready. When Avatar falls on its back, you can activate turtle mode and launch it back to action. For additional safety, Avatar's feature down with sensors and return to home, keeping your ground safe for every flight. Realize dreams and folk imagination and dare to fly with DJI Avatar.